Right. So what are we up to then? We're going to try and get this extinguisher in now,
It ain't come. We're still waiting for the bloody thing, aren't we?
Hey?
Still waiting for it.
Ain't come yet.
No.
What are we going to do now then? Oh, hang on. Blimey. It's Father Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, everyone!
How the bloody hell did he get in? We ain't even got a chimney.
I just stopped by to spread some festive cheer and to see if you have been good boys this year.
Well, I know I have, but Mark's a bit doubtful.
Huh?
What would you like for Christmas, dear boy? Something like this?
Oh, thanks, Santa.
I'm back off to the North Pole now. Happy Christmas, everyone!
What you got there then?
Got the extinguisher from Santa. I thought we'd open it up. We're not going to put it in this episode. We'll leave that till the next one probably. But I thought it'd be nice to open it up and see what.
Let's have a look.
What comes in the kit?
Let's have a look. Did he bring you the one you wanted though?
Oh, he did.
What?
He did.
How did he know?
I know. He knows everything.
Stop rubbing the box. It won't get any bigger.
I just love OMP stuff. I just wish they'd bloody give us some stuff. Keep promoting them for nothing. There we go. Look. Ah, we've got blooming. Oh look, Mark. Woo.
Oh yeah, very festive. Very festive. Well done. Well done.
Right, let me empty that out of the way somewhere.
I do the special effects around here. Where are you going?
I don't know. I need to empty these blooming things out of it, don't I?
Just empty them on the bench. It won't get any messier, will it?
Right. Got a little box here. Look, got another box in there. Look.
Box in a box.
Box in a box. Box. Oh, look at that. Look. Oh,
is that bigger than the other one?
No, same size.
About the same size, is it?
Yeah, same size. 4.5 litres.
Right.
Oh, look. See on this one, it's got that little cap on it. Look, there's a little wire that comes out of it.
Hang on. Right.
See, and then that plugs into the buttons that we're putting on the front. And on R1, we haven't got that. So
well, we did have it, but you lost it.
Well, I'm not sure if I did have it. I'm not even sure if it needed it. I don't know whether because it looks slightly different. Well, this one's got one coming out of it, you see, a wire coming out of it, and that one hasn't got anything coming out of it or on it. So I didn't know if it clamped onto it, and I've lost it, or I don't know.
Okay. Right. But that's all full and charged and ready to blow.
It's all full and charged and ready to go.
Right.
And it's matte black as well, which is nice. I don't think you've got anything else in there. No.
Right. So there's no cables or anything.
Just hang on a minute.
Oh,
you're getting presumptuous again, aren't you?
I didn't.
Just be patient.
I didn't know there was another box, did I?
There we go. Look.
So what's in here then?
It's the clamps and rings. So that bolts onto the bottom of the car. That sits in it, and then the rings go around it. There's some more pipe, but we don't need to use that because we've already got pipe in there.
Because you've already done it all and fed it all up.
Already. Then we've got connector wire. We've got some black heat shrink, look. So we can put the heat shrink over that wiring loom that I've done through the engine bay.
Right. You were going to get some of that, weren't you? But
yeah.
You've got it now.
We've got stickers. Extinguisher stickers. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, control wire. And there's another
Are they
one.
the stickers that we can use on the scuttle?
Yes.
Can we?
Yes. And then we've got a new push button test switch, which is better because look, it's a lot smaller than the other ones. Look.
Oh, Hold on.
It's a lot smaller, so I can do the, because I wanted to do the bracket by the gear stick, didn't I? You know,
Right.
to sit them all on there.
You can't have the two then? You can't have like one on the dash and one by the gear stick?
No.
No, okay.
And then obviously that lead plugs into that one, and then it all connects up into that other part of the wiring loop.
Right.
And that one clips onto the extinguisher. And that's about it really. I've got cable there for the push button, which we've already done. And then we've obviously got the extinguisher ends, which we've already done. And there's the other flower pot external button, but we've already done that, haven't we, in the scuttle? We changed it.
Yeah.
I'm hoping there's a wiring diagram somewhere along the line. Here we go, look. Destructions.
All right.
So yeah.
Well, that'll keep you busy over Christmas.
Yeah, it
then, won't
will. That's good. I'm glad about that as well. It's smaller, because then I can make a nice little neat... Come in here. I did bend up a bit of aluminium, but I never heated it and it cracked. But I've put the holes, fixing holes for it already, so I'm going to make a bracket up there, and then that'll just sit on there like that.
Okay.
That way around.
Cool.
And then the electrical button on top of it, so that it'll come up there somewhere, and then...
All right. And of course, from this shot, I can see that you've you kind of like almost put the dash in, but
yeah,
not quite.
sort of. We're just getting it sort
Just
of...
put it in situ, just to see.
Familiarising oneself with the position of the dashboard. Yeah.
It's looking all right.
Yeah, it's getting there. Oh yeah, look, and if you see there, look, it's where someone dropped the door, look, the kink at the bottom of it, look, so we've got to get that out somehow.
Yeah, I remember dropping that.
Yeah.
Yeah, never mind. Never mind. Got to give you something to do, haven't I?
Heroes without sin may cast the first stone.
Well, there's no need to get all religious. Only want to think it was Christmas.
Yeah, really? Yeah. Yeah, so actually saying that, yeah. So yeah, it's about it really then.
Okie doke.
So
We'll
we're
put
all
all
ready.
those bits back in the box before you lose them.
Yeah, because you know what I'm like. Yeah, so I should probably do that over Christmas. Over Christmas, I'm going to have some good time up here and try and crash some of it out. We can do some ad cam and all that sort of stuff, can't we? So, but I haven't decided where we're going to put it yet, whether it's going to go in the back or put it in the front footwell. I think I'm going to try and get the foot plate, you know, the thingy plate that I've got on the driver's side for my footrest and everything, because you can get a left-hand drive one as well. So I'll put that on the other side, and then we can decide that I think there's enough gap to get the extinguisher in. I'll fit the seating and the seat bracket, and then I reckon there's enough room under your legs to get that bottle in. So I might put it at the front there.
All right.
I don't know yet, but
there's no restrictions and regulations of where it's got to go.
It can either go on the near side back. Not obviously where I put it, which is probably the best place to put it, there, or in the front footwell. I don't know quite what to do yet. But I'll have a think about that. We could do with corner weighting it really and figuring out the best place for it, but we haven't got time to do all that. So.
No. All right. We'll have a think over Christmas.
I don't think it'll make that much difference. Oh, and the pipe as well. There was a pipe that I didn't know how it went in, but I've sussed how it goes in now, underneath that scuttle. Because I couldn't put the scuttle in because I needed to put that pipe in. There's a clutch pipe that goes through to the... There's a slave cylinder for the clutch that pops onto that pipe, and then that pipe goes all the way down there and then comes out at the bottom for the gearbox.
Right.
I just managed to work out where it went, so that's gone in. So the dash can go in back in probably now as well. So yeah, we're getting there.
All right. Well, you can bang all for that over Christmas, can't you?
Yeah. So I'll do some ad cam and that, and we can make odds and sods up, little shorts up or something, and over Christmas and put it out if you want. I don't know.
Yeah.
Whatever you think.
Okie doke.
Right.
I tell you what, it's a bit frost, monkeys out there today.
It is. It's been.
Crikey, the temperature changed.
Solid frost for 3 days. It's unreal.
Should we have a cup of tea and warm ourselves up? I'll tell you what, I think I might even have your mince pie lurking around somewhere. I know you don't like them, but I'll have yours. I'll get the kettle on. Right.
Well, it's not that I don't like them, it's just the after effects of them, if you see what I mean. Have you made that cup of tea?
Yeah, so it's coming.
Bring it round.
Coming. Lovely cup of tea, lovely cup of tea.
Come, stick it on the bench, on the wood, not on the metal, obviously. You know the score.
What? You don't, what? Eh?
You stick the tea on the bench, on the wood, not on the metal, you know the score.
You want me to follow you?
Follow me, come here, we'll talk about this extinguisher, look.
Okay.
We've got the wiring for it now.
All right.
And we got a heat resistant sleeving as well for the bit that goes around the engine bay. So now it just plugs into there, and then what we do is a cable tie all the neatly to the pipe work that goes around to from the extinguisher.
So it's
to
like
the thing.
planning. Well,
Yeah.
I'll go and get the tea then, and then we'll say our goodbyes and our thank yous for this year.
Oh yeah, because we've got a lot of people to thank actually.
Yeah, I'll go and get the tea. Hang on.
Come on, mate, bring a tea round. We sit down.
I'm coming.
We've got a few people to thank.
I'm coming. Here you go. That's your
That's
one.
my one,
That's
yeah.
your one. Right.
Yeah.
Great stuff.
Can't be a nice cup
Great
of tea.
stuff. Blimey. Right. So that's the episode for this year now. So what? I used 2 tea bags.
Are you sure?
So yeah. So just a little bit of a.
Don't taste like. It tastes a bit funny. That's the worst cup of
Get
tea
it
you've ever made
down.
me.
Get it down, you boy. Get it down, you boy. Right. Anyway. So.
I think even Archie turned his nose up at that. Didn't you, Archie? Cup of tea?
And my one's lovely. My one's lovely. Anyway, right, so
Yeah.
thanks very much for watching this week.
Yeah,
Don't
thank
forget
you.
to like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, as you always say. But we've got a few thanks.
Yeah, we have.
Do you want a
actually.
mince pie as well? I've got some mince pies. Hang on a minute.
Yeah, well, it's
on a
not
minute.
that I don't like them. It's just the after effect. It's just the acidy burp after.
Hey?
An hour later.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. I can't get them open now, look. I can't get them open now. This is making good
Do you wanna-
TV. This is making good TV,
Do you
isn't
want
it?
a drum roll or
Dun,
not?
dun, 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 dun.
They look quite nice.
Dun, dun,
Who
dun,
made
dun.
Oh, thank you.
It was a woman that made these, look.
Oh, we've got-
Cleo's.
Cleo's.
Cleo Lane's sister, look, Holly.
Oh
Look.
yeah. Oh, he's got a little snowflake on the old doodle.
Look at that, look.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
He's-
Right.
Yeah.
I keep turning me back on the camera, I am sorry. Right. Anyway, we've got a list of people to thank. Because I can't remember everybody.
Well.
You know what I'm like. Right. So, first of all, I shouldn't do this for a mouthful, should I? First of all, Smithy's, what's it?
Smithy's Track Mini, yeah. Thank you, Smithy. We like your feedback on that, mate. Very good, thank you.
Yeah, thanks for mentioning this in an episode
Yeah.
a few times back.
Peter Graves.
Peter
He
Graves.
made a nice mention and give us a nice bit of tip on the old suspension.
Well, I'm talking about.
We haven't really made a mind up yet what's going on.
Before I forget, Steve,
Yeah. Look, just don't do it with your mouth full.
Steve Parrish.
Yeah, obviously, yeah, because he keeps giving us nice little bits of advice.
And we're
and
hoping
that,
to do something a bit special with him in the new year. We won't
Yeah.
say.
I'm gonna say
We won't
yet,
say yet, but if you've been following our Facebook page,
Yeah.
you probably know what's going on
Yeah.
anyway. Big thank you to Bradley Gravitt.
They're not rabbits.
Get his
Gravitt.
name right. Lydia
Yeah.
Wormsley.
Yeah.
Max Coates.
Yep.
And not forgetting
I can't read your writing.
Rob.
Rob
Gravitt as well.
Yeah, that was
Yeah.
a good interview. Well, they were all good interviews, actually.
Yeah, yeah. So
Yeah.
it was really good. James at Washbrook
Yeah.
Motocross.
Yeah.
Up in March near
Yeah,
Cambridge.
still need a 36, James.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I'll tell you what, I thought you wanted to do more of these mince pies.
I think there'd be a 38 after Christmas. Yeah, Kurt Nickel, that's another one.
Yeah, thanks to Kurt.
Yeah, thank you, Kurt.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good speaking to you again, mate. We haven't spoken to you for ages, sir.
Yeah. Jeremy at Cheffins
Yeah.
Auctions, because he let us go up to that motorbike,
Yeah.
which was episode 37, if you want to go back and have a look at that.
Yeah, we'd like to do another one like that, Jeremy. That'd be nice, that, wouldn't it?
Well, because there's going to be a bit of a gap now before we start again in the new year, you can go back and watch some of these episodes, you see. If you missed them, or if you've watched them already, watch them again.
Yeah.
There you go, nice Boxing Day
Yep.
treat for you.
Yep.
Ian Travers Thinking It Better,
Yep. Yep. What about Jeremy?
because of course Ian interviewed you as well for his
He did.
channel, didn't he? Oh,
He did.
Crikey, I've just moved the dashboard there, look. Easy. Right.
Either. Yeah, Jeremy Aston Phillips at LM Performance.
Good. Jeremy.
Well,
yeah.
with Rob as well, obviously, because they're partners.
Yeah, yeah. Walden Bikers, everybody at Walden Bikers.
Yeah.
We went over to one of their meetings,
Yeah,
and
that's
that was
good.
that was episode 18.
Yeah, can we do another one next year?
That was episode 18.
We?
Yeah, so,
Yeah, I like that. That's good. That's a good day, that.
We'll go and see them again. So thanks for letting us join your meeting on
Oh,
that.
and a superstar as well, Mark Blundell.
Mark Blundell, the
Yeah.
Formula One and
Yeah,
IndyCar and
IndyCar,
all that.
yeah.
That was it. That was a couple of episodes, around episode 28,
Something like that.
27.
I
something
can't
like
remember. We've done so many now, haven't we?
that. Yeah. My old mucker there, Warren Child. He
Warren.
let us come and interview him and chat about his VW camper van. That was a good episode. Episode 19, that was.
Yeah.
Then you got the E-Type Jag.
Oh yeah, Kevin
Willie.
Kevin Willie. Yeah, he's got some more stuff we'd like to see as well. He said, later on we can come back there, and he's got loads of stuff we can
Yeah.
see.
He loved it.
He was good, yeah.
He
He's
took
good,
that. I didn't
yeah.
even have to interview him there. He just showed us around the car. He was the top bloke. He was brilliant.
No, I just had a bubble in my nose.
No, I didn't see it. I missed that. Also, hang on. Also, thank me brother Stephen, because he's been helping us out all year really, and finding us like locations and people to interview, doing a lot of the legwork behind the scenes. So thanks for that.
Yep.
Thanks to my son Matt, because he sometimes does the old camera work. When I have to be this side of it, I can't be that side of it. So he does that. Oh, and then not forgetting classic plating.
Oh yeah, classic plating. Liz at classic plating and everybody else. We've got something coming up with that anyway, haven't we? We haven't forgot about you, Liz. Yeah. It might look like we have, but we haven't. We're just, it's just the way things worked out. But
if we've forgotten anybody,
we're sorry. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for this year and giving us stuff to do with. I've got all the blooming crumbs down me now.
Yeah, Mrs. won't like that.
Crumbs. Yeah. Anyway.
Talking about my Mrs. Yeah, she'd give us a present.
I tell you what, we're not just throwing this together. Blimey. I tell you,
This tea's bloody horrible.
I tell you what, shut up. Here, you open it.
Did you put fresh water in it?
You open it, you do all the work. Here, you open it. I'm going to put that down on a concrete floor because you've nearly drunk all that. You've nearly finished that.
It's not a 7-inch record, is it?
7-inch record, got a 45, you're showing your age.
Stars on 45.
What's it going to be?
Don't know.
What's it going to be?
I don't know.
Come on. The suspenders.
This is killing us. Here we go, look. Original Mini, look. What is it?
Oh, it's a calendar.
It's a calendar.
It's a calendar.
Thank you very much indeed, Mrs. Jackson.
There you go, look, we can hang that, there we go, look, we can hang that up in the...
Thank you, Miss Jackson.
Yeah, we can hang that up. That probably blurred then when I did that. That probably blurred, but never mind. Never mind.
Yes.
I'll put a scan feed of it, but...
Yes, thank you.
There you go, you can hang that up in the...
We'll hang up in here somewhere, can't we? Yeah. Underneath the liquid molly, which
stuff.
might be changing.
Right. Well, that's it then. So we'll see you in the new year.
Yes, we'll see you in the new year. We've got lots to sort out and bits and pieces, and I'll crack on with it over Christmas, so hopefully we can move it on a bit. A lot of it's just painting.
Yeah, so,
How much are you drinking my tea?
It's just finishing your tea up, yeah.
It can't be that bad then.
Yeah, exactly. So anyway, right, so where were we? Yes.
Yeah, so I'm going to crack on over Christmas. We do a lot of ad cam, and Mark might get a chance to come up here and do a bit of filming as well. So there'll be bits and pieces, but it won't really be till after Christmas. But, you know, if we get a chance to put a bit odds and sods out, we will. Little 10-minute things or 6-minute things or whatever.
Yeah, and just follow the Facebook page and then you'll see when the next episode going up, but it'll be in the new year, so we'll get started.
Yeah, I'm going to try and paint the roof as well. I've got some gloss back paint, so I'm going to try and paint that over Christmas.
Yeah. If you know of anybody that wants to sponsor us for the race next year as well,
that'd be
just
good
get in touch through Facebook and let us know. But anyway, should we go to the small bit now? The small thing, right? So there's the small shot. So down here, we've got a link to the episode before this one.
Hey,
and what's up there?
No, up there, the square, and down there's the black circle that takes us to the site and gives you everything.
It does. Right. I'll get it right next year. See ya.
Really, thank you, bye.